We have gathered reviews from all over the internet to provide a comprehensive and expert overview of the Zigzagger men's slip-on moccasin slippers. These slippers have quickly become a favorite among users looking for a combination of warmth, comfort, and practicality in their footwear for both indoor and light outdoor use. With over 37,000 ratings and an impressive average score of 4.4 out of 5, the consensus is overwhelmingly positive, and there are some nuances worth discussing to give you a full picture. Starting with comfort, the slippers feature a plush fleece lining that users describe as soft and cozy, providing a warm embrace for the feet. This lining is synthetic but designed to mimic the feel of real fur, which contributes significantly to the overall warmth without causing overheating. The insole is made of high-density memory foam, which molds to the shape of the foot, offering excellent cushioning and support. Many reviewers have noted that walking in these slippers feels like walking on clouds, which is a testament to the quality of the foam used. This memory foam also helps relieve foot fatigue, making these slippers suitable for all-day wear around the house. Fit and sizing have been a topic of mixed feedback. Initially, some users find the slippers to be a bit tight and small, which might prompt thoughts of returning them. However, the majority advise patience because the slippers tend to stretch and mold to the foot after about 2 weeks of continuous wear. For those with wider feet, the slippers eventually become more comfortable and slightly loose after several months, indicating good adaptability. It is recommended to order your true size, as the slippers generally run true to size once broken in. Wearing socks with these slippers is common, especially in colder climates, and the slippers accommodate this well. Durability is another strong point. The outer sole is made of a rubber-like material that is thick and sturdy enough for short trips outdoors, such as fetching the mail or walking the dog. This sole provides good traction and is non-slip, which adds to safety when walking on various surfaces. Many users have praised the slippers for holding up well over time, with some reporting consistent use for several months without significant wear or damage. The stitching and overall craftsmanship are often highlighted as high quality, contributing to the slipper's longevity. Usability is enhanced by the slip-on design, which makes putting the slippers on and taking them off effortless. This convenience is appreciated by users who want quick comfort without fussing with laces or straps. The slippers are also machine washable, which is a significant advantage for maintaining cleanliness and freshness. This feature is especially useful for those who wear them outdoors occasionally and want to keep them looking new. On the downside, a few users with specific foot conditions such as plantar fasciitis have found the sole to be too firm, which can increase discomfort. Additionally, some have mentioned that the slippers may become a bit loose over time as the memory foam compresses, which might affect the snugness of the fit. There are also occasional reports of slight size inconsistencies, particularly with models that cover 2 sizes in one, so careful size selection is advised. Aesthetically, the slippers have a classic moccasin loafer look that appeals to many men who prefer a traditional style. The stitching is neat and adds to the overall design, making them suitable for wearing not just indoors, but also on the porch or deck. The color options are versatile and neutral, fitting well with casual home attire. Price-wise, these slippers offer excellent value. They're often compared favorably to more expensive brands that cost twice as much, with users noting that the comfort and quality match or exceed those pricier options. This affordability combined with performance makes them a smart purchase for anyone needing reliable, comfortable slippers. Overall, the Zigzagger men's slip-on moccasin slippers stand out as a well-rounded product that meets the needs of men seeking warmth, comfort, durability, and versatility. They excel in providing a cozy experience for cold feet, practical use with their outdoor-capable soles, and enduring comfort through memory foam cushioning. While the initial break-in period requires some patience, the long-term benefits clearly outweigh this minor inconvenience. If you own these slippers, please consider leaving a review in the comments to help others make an informed decision. Your feedback is invaluable in building a community of informed buyers. Remember, the link to purchase the Zigzagger men's slip-on moccasin slippers is in the description, and using it supports the channel. In summary, these slippers are a must-have for anyone who values comfort and quality in their everyday footwear. They are especially recommended for men who want a slipper that can handle both indoor lounging and quick outdoor errands without sacrificing style or warmth. The combination of memory foam, plush lining, sturdy sole, and classic design makes them a standout choice in the crowded slipper market.